Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be bringing you another unboxing video. This is not going to be the crazy wild expensive phones that I've brought to you before. This is actually an honorable mention. And this is indeed the Huawei Honor Note 10. So this phone has got quite a big wow factor to it, and that is considering its previous device, which was the Honor 8, released 2 years ago in 2016. So Huawei have released their sub-branded Honor Note 10, and this is supposed to be not just the flagship killer, but the Note 9 killer. So let's not fully see how it stacks up, but let's see what it looks like. So let's get straight into this box over here. The box looks pretty boring, to be honest, but let's get this guy open right here for you guys to see. Wow, this is real sealed up. This released yesterday, by the way, so that's quite cool. That's quite cool. I guess now without the plastic, you can kind of see a little bit of that. I guess it's like a little blue shimmer, and that's probably because of their blue variant that they have. This is actually the black model, and this is actually the lower range model. Not so much lower ranges in specs or anything else. It actually has everything in here. It's just 64 gigs of storage with 6 gigs of RAM instead of 8, which is completely fine if you ask me, because this is an AI powered phone and it has a micro SD card slot. Oh my god. Okay, so enough of that. We'll get into that stuff when we move over to the review. So let's open this up. Okay, keep that box nice and visible for you guys there. My goodness, this phone is gigantic. Holy crap. Okay, I'll just place it right over here for you guys. And let's get unboxing. Okay, so they've given me a whole bunch of stickers. That's cool. And we have this over here. We have the pin. That is great. Let's see what else they include here. Oh, is this what I think it is? Chinese companies love us Westerners because they know we like covers. So we've got a little cover in here. Let's see. Oh, this is a nice soft silicone cover. Actually makes, oh wow, that's like, you can see how that bends around. That's a nice cover. I mean, maybe it's a bit cheap if you are. Well, do you see that? Do you see that right at the top over there? There's 2 cutouts at the top and 2 cutouts at the bottom. What is that for? Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Throw that to the side. That to the side. We've got a huge power brick, and I'm assuming this is to fill up that massive 5,000 milliamp battery that we have. So yeah, that is a 5-volt supercharge. They call it Huawei Supercharge. So there you have it. Okay, moving on. Oh, this may be sad for some. Okay, so we have a, I mean, I'm not gonna open this up for you guys, but this is an adapter, USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack, which means that there is no 3.5mm jack on this phone, but that is one of the few things that there isn't, because there is so much packed in here. It is crazy. So over here we have a charger. Yes, it is USB Type-C, thank goodness for that. That is also one of the first for this year of Honor. We have that right over there. That's a great guy. And many flagship phones, including the Huawei P20 Pro and Samsung. There's a few phones out there that don't have USB 3 or 3.1. They still stick to USB 2 with a Type-C port, which is great. But I mean, if you want to transfer some stuff on the fly between your PC or laptop and your phone, the speeds are going to be significantly slower. So keep that in mind. With this, you get it packed up, and no earphones, I guess. I mean, it is a really cheap phone. It's 2,800 yuan. That works out to around $400. Super cheap with a ton of stuff. So all that aside, let's move straight onto the device. So this is standard Huawei packaging over here. This phone is huge, my goodness. Take a look at this. This phone is massive. Look at my hand here. This is huge. This is gigantic. Anyway, let's look at the design of this. So at the back here we have our little stickers, but this is a nice mirrored finish, if you could say that. I chose the black one because I saw the blue one and it looks nice, but if you look at it from the front, the blue actually has like a trim of blue. So when you're looking at it, I feel like that's gonna obscure your vision a bit from this beautiful display. So yeah, the black actually looks nice because if I show you over here, it has it has like a mirror look to it, so it reflects light off quite well. Apparently it changes a few colors. I mean, I'll bring that to you guys in the review. So we have the dual cameras. These aren't Huawei P20 dual cameras, but they are in the same layout. They look quite cool, and there is actually AI auto image stabilization in this, so I'll be keen to check that out. Now, bezels wise, the bezels are very slim, but they're not all gone. So it's not like the likes of my recently reviewed Oppo Find X and Vivo Nex S, but how about we power it on and check this out. Bam, look at that screen. That is huge. This is 6.95 inches of AMOLED beauty. This phone is gorgeous. And just taking a look at the body while this boots up, have a look at the top there. Look at that. That is all speaker. That entire top section is speaker, and the cutouts for the cover are because of the speaker. Look at that. That is beautiful. And if we look at the bottom, dual speakers with your Type-C port. Dual speakers. That looks incredible. Okay, we have the camera right at the top there. Bam, the selfie cam. And we obviously have the dual lenses at the back with our fingerprint sensor over here. And a nice honorable mention, besides from the volume rockers and the power button, we have this nifty button over here, which is actually for GPU turbo boost. Yes, you can overclock the chips in this, which is the Kirin 970, the same in the P20 and P20 Pro. What is up? Look at that screen. Look at that. Oh, I actually think I need to take a look at this for myself before I show you guys. Okay, how do I say? Back. Wow, there it is. Okay, I mean, this is cool. English. Oh, thank God. I thought I would be stuck with Chinese. Okay, so English is good. I'm just gonna hit that and just show you guys this. Look at that. Look at that screen. It is huge. Look at my hand. Look at me holding it. Look at this. Put it by my ear. Look at it. What? Hello? Can you hear me from space? Okay, guys. So that's a wrap. This is the phone, and yeah, we're gonna be going in depth with this beauty in about a week. I'll bring you guys a full review. So this is Honor's latest Note 10. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe down here and watch my recently released videos up here. So until next time, guys, this is Technic.